Namaste children. Today we are going to learn the lesson from your history part, tracing changes through 1,000 years. From this lesson we are going to discuss about the subtopic is new social and political groups. The study of 1,000 years between 700 and 1750, which gives huge challenge to historians because the development. See my dear children, this is Persian wheel which make the irrigation as very effective, which used to draw the water from the deep well by using these animals, that is cow. Especially the farmers who used this Persian wheel to flood their lands to draw the water. The spinning wheel for weaving, which make the fine cloth to weave as very nicely. And the firearms in combat, which make the warfare as very easy to attack the enemies. Apart from this, new food and beverages arrived in the subcontinent. For example, food crops like potatoes, corn, chilies, and then beverages like tea and coffee. So, these inventions and the discoveries which made the society as in very innovative. Not only for that, the new technology is also followed by the people. As a result, this was a period of economic, political, social and cultural changes. So this was also a period of a great mobility, groups of people who splitted their society, which comes under these four varnas. They were Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudra. The Brahmanas, those who are teaching Vedas and mantras, and the Kshatriyas, those were the warriors, and the Vaishyas, those who are involved in commercial, and the Shudras, those who are working as the servants, scavengers, and as like I say, slaves. Between the 8th and 14th centuries, the term was applied more generally to a group of warriors who claimed Kshatriyas. That is, here the Indian Rajputs who belongs to the Kshatriya caste, not just rulers and chieftains, but also soldiers and commanders who served in the armies of different monarchs. The people, those who are worked under the king, and the chieftains also have the duty to collect the taxes. See my dear children, the extension of agriculture we make that forest to clear for the agriculture purpose, so that the forest dwellers migrated from one place to another place. Others started tilling the land and became peasants. These new peasants groups gradually began to be influenced by regional markets, chieftains, priests, monasteries and temples. The peasants and local lords, those who are pay the taxes and offer the goods and services to the kings and chieftains. Hope you all are understand this topic, my dear. Thank you. We will see in the next class.